in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
There are 13 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Having 13 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Once again, good afternoon to each and every one of you. May I request then the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the order of business.
Yes, Honorable Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. We have no visitors or guests. I believe on People's Hour on the item number 4. We proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are 3 written proposed sessions, Honorable Chair. May I enumerate? Number 1, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the construction of Barangay Trigos Box Culvert, Osama City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction or rehabilitation and or widening of local barangay roads, bridges, spillways, and the system program of 20% development fund of 2024 under section 3.1.w of Operation Ordinance number 1-2024. The second written proposed session is for us to enact a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the construction and improvement of school fence and gate of Pulot Ilantana School located at Barangay Pulot, Osama City, and perform acts for the implementation of the project funded from the improvement of school gate and perimeter fence at Pulot Ilantana School, Phase 2, under 2019 Special Education Fund, and construction of a guard post with complete lighting system, fencing at back of school, and street light under the Peace and Order program. The third, last but not the least, proposed intention of the chair is the request for us to pass a resolution authorizing local chief executive to enter into contract for the concreting of Barangay Road of Barangay Malobang, Osama City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction and or rehabilitation and or widening of local barangay roads, bridges, railways system program of 20% development of 2024 under section 3.1.w of Operation Ordinance number 1-2024. These are the 3 written proposals. I didn't move only to approve the agenda for the day with 3 proposed sessions, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 3 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes of the previous sessions. Everyone has furnished copies of the minutes of our regular sessions on July 17, July 23, and July 30. And I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the contents thereof, Honorable Chair. Accordingly, I move the motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of previous regular sessions on July 17, 23, and 30, 2024, and to approve the said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 2 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Honorable Chair, item number 6 is for approval of minutes of previous sessions on July 17, 20, and 30 regular sessions. I move to dispense with the reading of the minutes and to approve the minutes in total, Honorable Chair.
There's a motion for the approval of our minutes for the previous session dated July 17, 23, and 30, 2024 for the regular session. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, proceed to literacy, whereby we have one item, number 1, 2024 supplemental budget number 2, Barangay Bayadero, in amount of 50,000, duly endorsed by City Budget Officer for approval, and I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Moralion, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Moralion is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the 2024 supplemental budget number 2 of Barangay Bañadero in the amount of 50,000. Passing for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
For first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the urgency of the said supplemental budget of Barangay Bañadero, I would like to pass for second and final reading waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution from Barangay Bañadero for the 2024 Barangay Supplemental Budget number 02, 2024, the Honorable Moralion is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending items on my table. Under item letter D, Mrs. Communications of item number 7, as well as item number 8, there are no committee reports submitted. Item number 9, please proceed to letter C, unassigned business, whereby we have 3 appropriations, Honorable Chair. I may start with the first appropriation. A resolution authorizing the local executive to enter a contract for the construction of Barangay Trigos bus culvert of Barangay Trigos, Sami City, and perform all acts for the implementation project funded by construction and rehabilitation and widening of local barangay roads, bridges, spillways, drainage system program of the 20% development fund of 2024 under section 3.1.w of Application Ordinance number 1-2024. And please allow me to read also the second and third items appropriation, because this belongs to one committee only. And appropriation number 2, resolution authorizing local executive to enter into a contract for the construction of an improvement of school fence and gate of Pulot Elementary School, Kitara Barangay of Sami City, and perform works for the implementation budget and funded from the improvement of school gate and perimeter fence at Pulot Elementary School. Phase 2 under the 2019 Special Education Fund and construction of a guard post with complete lighting system, fencing at back school, street light under the Peace and Order Program 2024. The third appropriation, a resolution authorizing the local executive to enter into contract for the concreting of Barangay Road of Barangay Malaobang, Sami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project under funded from the construction and or rehabilitation and the widening of local barangay roads, bridges, spillways, and net system program of 20% dividend fund of 2024 under section 3.1.w of Application Ordinance number 1-2024. Honorable Chair, these 3 appropriations, I will refer to the Chairman of the Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure, Honorable Salo Salvador, to recommend introduce and recommend omnibussly the approval of these resolutions, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Saldo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass these 3 resolutions omnibussly. For the first resolution, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into contract for the construction of Barangay Trigos box culvert of Barangay Trigos, Osami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction and or rehabilitation and widening of local barangay roads, bridges, spillways, and drainage system program of the 20% development fund of the 2024 under Section 3.1 of the Appropriation Ordinance Number 1 of 2024. Second resolution, Madam Chair, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the construction and improvement of school fence and gate of Pulot Elementary School located at Barangay Pulot, Osami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the improvement of school gate and perimeter fence at Pulot Elementary School Phase 2 under the 2019 Special Education Fund and construction of guard posts with complete lighting system, fencing at back of school, street light under the Peace and Order Program of 2024. The third and last resolution, authorizing the local chief executive to enter a contract for the concreting of Barangay Road of Barangay Malaubang, Osami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction, rehabilitation, and widening of local barangay roads, bridges, spillways, and drainage system program of the 20% Development Fund of 2024 under Section 3.1 of Appropriation Ordinance Number 1 of 2024. Madam Chair, I move to pass these three resolutions omnibussly for first reading with reservation.
Move with Honorable Saulo Salvador to pass this on the first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Madam Chair, for the interest of the public and for the people of Osamis, I move to pass these three resolutions omnibussly for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Manifested by the Honorable Saulo Salvador to pass these three resolutions as being read, to pass this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending items on my table. Under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, may we have the privilege and pleasure to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Dingusisio, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Zuizo is now recognized by the Chair for some PCL matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. For PCL matters, for the upcoming PCL wave, for those who are interested to join the CLEP at Cagayan de Oro City this coming September 9 to 11, kindly have your names submitted so that we could also have our registration. The deadline will be on August 30, that's Friday, and also for our upcoming PCL Congress at Aya Hotel this coming September 12 and 13. We will be having Governor Henry S. Waminol as our keynote speaker together with our Provincial Director of DILG Benitez, who will going to also to conduct the seminar, including also the topics to be discussed, good governance, financial capacity, as well as the local legislative awards for the topic on the first day. And on the second day,
That will be on
September 12 and 13. September.
September 30th.
And on the 13th, the PCL participants will be having the city tour and a provincial tour in all our tourist spots in the province. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Suizo, and please be reminded to our honorable members of this august body for that appointment with Honorable Suizo.
Yes,
On that particular important activity on August 30 and September 13.
September 9 to 11 at Cagayan de Oro, and September 12 and 13 at Aya Hotel, Clarín, Misamis Occidental.
Okay, please
All
take
one
note
week.
of that. Thank you, Honorable Suizo, for your information. That is as far as PCL matters. Thank you. For the next item,
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Honorable Siso. May we now have the privilege and pleasure to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Pel, Dendo de Lungsod, Honorable Chair.
For SK matters, may we hear from Honorable Duhay Longsud?
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK Matters, I would like to inform this august body that last August 26 at 5 a.m., the SK Federation of Ozami City is successfully conducted the coastal cleanup drive at the bypass road located at Barangay Triunfo, San Roque at Barangay Balaubang. And in relation with that, Madam Chair, this representation would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our City Mayor for always supporting us, and also to the mga barangay captains in Ozami City led by Honorable Consejal Carlo Moralion for providing them the transportation during the coastal cleanup. And aside that, Madam Chair, this coming August 30, at 8 o'clock in the morning, we have a job fair in celebration for the Linggo ng Kabataan. And also, pagka August 30, at 7 p.m., we have again a drama contest which is participated by different schools and universities here in Ozami City, and titled ang Ozamis Kagahapon og Karon, which is focused what are the developments, programs, services that are being implemented for today's administration, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you for that laudable information, Honorable Duhay Longsud. So, congratulations for your activity for that coastal cleanup last August 26, no?
Yes, Madam Chair.
August 26. And that's a very
yesterday.
laudable activity. And that on August 31,
30, Madam Chair,
30, you have a job fair.
at 8 a.m. And then pag 7 p.m. is
Then you have the
contest.
drama.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Sa may nakadaog.
Wala pa, Madam Chair. This coming August 30 pa, Madam Chair. And we would like to invite these members of the Sanggunian to attend to watch the drama contest, and all Ozamisnon and Misamisnon
When is the venue?
at the Asenso Ozamis Wellness Park Amphitheater, Madam Chair.
Asenso.
Yes, Madam
Okay.
Chair. Wellness Park.
Congratulations, laudable activity,
Thank you,
Honorable
Madam
Duhay
Chair.
Longsud. May we invite all our city councilors, no, to please witness
Yeah.
the event of Honorable Duhay Longsud sa Kabataang Barangay.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
And that includes the 51 barangay.
The drama contest, Madam Chair, is participated by 6 schools in
6 schools. Okay. So how many participants?
the participants, Madam Chair, is 10 to 15 participants.
13?
10 to 15 participants, Madam Chair.
Daghan di ay, 13
Daghan,
ay.
Madam Chair.
What's the theme of the show?
The theme of the show, Madam Chair, is the title itself is ang Ozamis Kagahapon o Karon, mga diin atong ipakita sa mga, especially sa mga youth, what are the history sa Ozamis sa una o karon. Usabay mga programs and projects nga wala sa una nga na-implement sa kasamtangan nga administrasyon, Madam Chair.
Okay, kagahapon ug karon. What was Ozamis
Kagahapon
kagahapon
ug
and karon?
Yes, Madam
Okay. That's a challenge.
Yes, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you, Honorable Duhay Longsud,
Thank you,
for
Madam
your information. Noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, may we also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Moralion, Honorable Chair.
Honorable John Carlo Moralion, for the ABC matters, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. In behalf of 51 Barangay of Ozami City, papasalamaton ang atoang mga kapitan tungod sa suporta sa Team Asinso sa ilahang seminar dito sa Pasay. And nauban po nila dito ang atoang gobernador, to ang congressman ug atoang mayor. So dako kay silang pasalamat kay ilahang na istorya na imamat nilang mayo dito and naapod sila mga gipang pangayo nga yes ang ilahang gipangayo and na libre po sila og dinner dito nga wala sila nagdahom nga makasulod sila ato nga lugar.
Okay.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo. Palakpakan nato si Honorable Governor. No, we deeply acknowledge the kanang accommodation of Honorable Governor no for our mga batanon sa ato mga iske. Ang mga kapitan day, sa mga kapitan day, for all the 51 barangay captains, 100% ba? Ha? 43 who availed of that seminar. Seminar ba to? Oh yes, at Pasay. So, the other barangay captain failed to avail of that particular activity. Sayang. No, they should avail of that kay that's talagsar ka na mahitabo, no? And we would like to express our appreciation and thanks to the good governor nga nag-entertain ninyo dito. At least na-enjoy pod mo no sa iyang accommodation in Manila. And aside from that, nakatuon pod ang mga kapitan, no?
Yes.
Okay, noted by the chair of your information, Honorable Marajon.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, I yield to my colleagues for any important and relevant announcement or information which they wish to bring forth before the host body, Honorable Chair, before I proceed to the last item.
Yes, anybody? Anybody who has an additional information to be taken?
On a personal note, welcome back, Honorable Cecil Yoko, Honorable Chair. And thank you for her pasalubongs to all members of this House
Welcome
body.
back yourself, Majority Floor Leader from Cebu.
Honorable Cecil Ko, thank you so much for the pasalubong that we have. Fresh from Japan. O Korea ba to? Korea. Thank you so
Seoul,
much,
Korea,
Honorable
Madam Chair.
Ko. Any other matters to be discussed?
I guess my colleagues has no more relevant and valuable information they may want to share before us, Honorable Chair. I now proceed to my most unpleasant task. I move to adjourn the irrigation, Honorable Chair.
Session is adjourned.